Question number 20 says the length of a rectangle is 4 units less than twice the width if the length is decreased by 3 units and the width is increased by 1 unit. The area is decreased by 16 square units. If W is the original width, which equation must be true? First thing I'm going to do here is simply write out some equations. So I'll make the original rectangle in red. And the original rectangle, the length, is 4 units less than twice the width. So the length is equal to 2W minus 4, or 4 less than 2W. The original width is just W. The original area is just area. So the area is going to be equal to our length, which is 2W minus 4 times our width. The next step, which I'll put in green, is our new rectangle. And the new rectangle, the length is decreased by 3. So L minus 3. And the width is increased by 1. And the area is decreased by 16. So our new length is going to be now 2W, but instead of minus 4, we're now subtracting 7, because negative 4 minus 3 would be negative 7. The width now is just going to be W plus 1, and our area is 16 less. So our new area, which is 16 less, is going to be our length, which is 2W minus 7, times our width, which is W plus 1. Ultimately, though, we want the areas to be solved for. So we're going to add 16 to both sides here. And you see that the area now is equal to 2W minus 7 times W plus 1 plus 16. The next step I'm going to do is go ahead and set the terms equal to each other. So by setting A equal to A, I get W minus 7 times W plus 1 plus 16 equals 2W minus 4 times. So here's the equation I'm looking for. If we look at our options now, we have for F a 2W minus 3. There's no 2W minus 3 anywhere, so that's gone. For G, we have a 2 times 2W minus 3. There's no 2 times anything or a 2W minus 3, so that's gone. For H, we have a 2W minus 7 times a W plus 1, which looks great, except we're missing a plus 16, equals W times 2W minus 4 minus 16. So that's close. We'll come back to this one. And then for J, again, we have these 2 times somethings, which doesn't make any sense. So let's hope we get H. But how can we get H out of this right here? The answer is we take our 16, subtract it, and by moving it across, it cancels out here. We now get it at the end of our equation. And then the W can obviously be switched around with the 2W minus 4. And so H is our answer.